ReliefJet Essentials Utilities is an extremely convenient tool to perform various actions on messages in Outlook. Often it is handy to perform these actions automatically on incoming messages. In Outlook 2010 and below, it was possible to integrate the product with the rules using custom actions. In Outlook 2013, this feature was removed by Microsoft. Therefore, we have implemented another way to integrate with the rules, through VBA scripts. To demonstrate this ReliefJet Essentials feature, let's create a rule that will automatically remove redundant subject prefixes from all incoming messages. For a start, let's configure the utility. For this purpose, we'll use Manage Favorites dialog. Select the utility. The Remove Subject Prefixes utility deletes all redundant prefixes listed. Because this utility's purpose is to run in a rule, set the option Do Not Show this utility on Outlook ribbon or toolbar so that it does not appear in the Outlook user interface. To explicitly tag the utility that is used in Outlook rules, rename it by adding the rules prefix. Save the settings. VBA button shows the Ready to Run script. If this button is disabled, the selected utility does not support the running from VBA scripts or it is not configured. In Outlook 2016, running VBA from rules is disabled by default. The program allows you to automatically enable VBA to be used in rules. After that, you need to restart the Outlook. We'll do it later. Here is a script that will run the configured utility. Copy the script to the Windows clipboard. Open the Visual Basic Editor by pressing Alt plus F11 on your keyboard. You can create a separate module for ReliefJet Essentials scripts, but for this example we just use a module of the standard This Outlook Session object. Let's insert our script to the end of the module. If you insert a script for the first time, copy this line from comments to the very beginning of the module, if it is not there. After that, you can delete the rest of the comments. In the future, you can just delete all inserted script comments. You do not need to insert the private declare function. Line second time. You can rename the function if you want. Save the changes and go back to Outlook. In order to make VBA scripts work, make sure that macro execution is allowed in the Outlook Trust Center settings. If you cannot change these settings, contact your system administrator. Let's restart the Outlook. Now let's create the rule. This rule will delete the redundant prefixes from all incoming messages. Specify or run a script as an action, and choose our script from the list. For convenience, we will type the appropriate name for the new rule. To test the utility, let's write an email with the subject containing multiple RE and FW prefixes. Here is the message. As you can see, the utility has removed all redundant prefixes, leaving only the leading one. Please note that although we changed the subject, the message remained in the same conversation. You have explored only a little part of ReliefJet Essentials for Outlook. Other than those presented, the product contains a variety of other tools to perform a wide range of tasks.